Hey everyone, down on Calle that ibiza today. Going to see how busy it is compared to the rest of Benidorm. That and we are also coming down here to nip to supermarket to get a can of Monster each. Got this nice little Chinese shop there. Absolute love these shops. You can get pretty much anything you want. Like big Bluetooth speakers, walking sticks, rigs, selfie sticks, even fishing rods. Just coming down past the central, just coming down past the central cultural de Benidorm. This side of it, however, still hasn't been completed yet. And just behind me we do have this big electrical shop, got disco lights in, Christmas trees. Absolutely amazing. Quite quiet up this end compared to where it is down on the main Benidorm British strip. Head on over to Benidorm at Mike's channel to check out that video to see how busy the British strip actually is. It is a glorious day though, and me and Mike have both got our jumpers off, but I do advise you, like if you are going out of the night, take a jumper. Maybe even take a coat. Does get cold, guys. Got the new Hawaii 1.5 bar just down there in the corner, and that's a fully Hawaiian themed bar as well, guys. So sounds pretty awesome. Just gonna carry on down calle Ibiza, down past this new restaurant. Teppanyaki Buffet Libre a la Carte. A Japanese restaurant. Sounds good, that.
Still fitting it out, I think, Marcus.
Yeah, still fitting it out. So, when they do open, let us know if you want to see me, Matt, Mike and Scooter Sue go and try some sushi. Never really tried sushi because it's like raw fish, isn't it, guys? So I don't think I'll be too keen on it, but I'm pretty sure they do stuff with meat as well. Think they do stuff with like lamb chops, steak, that sort of thing. Got the magic roundabout over the road, which I mean, I've kind of described that bar as Benidorm's answer to Wetherspoons. I know many of you probably wouldn't agree with me, but when I just sort of like walked in there first time and saw the menu, that's what I thought. I just thought like it's got a Wetherspoons fight to it. then of course next up is the brilliant legendary 3B48 Soul Bar. And we have got the Rose Crown British pub just here on the corner. Quite quiet in there, but they do have some music on, so I'm gonna try to speed up. And of course, across the road is Benidorm's premier piano bar, Shooters. Just try not to get run over. Shooters Bar, of course, has live entertainment on almost every night. Absolute fab bar. And of course, next door, your cheap booze shop. I love some of these little supermarkets because some of the booze you find is just mental. Like this one, for example, me and Scooter Suit actually found the real Russian vodka, which is like the strongest vodka you can get, with a 12% alcohol volume. Got the pie shop there.
You got that wrong, Marcus.
What?
60%, wasn't it?
Oh yeah, 60% I think. I can't remember, but it was dead strong.
Normal vodka's about 40%.
And to be fair, I could only imagine if you had to drunk it, that would have at least made you breathe fire. Let alone fart fire. I imagine it was pretty strong stuff. And of course we do have a coach doing some drop-offs here in Benidorm. Sugar. Bad news or good news?
What?
Consume's shut.
Why was the same shut, Marcus?
Yeah, Consume is shut today, I believe, for the fiestas. Got a little kitty cat there. Is he gonna? Hello. Hello. Oh. Hello. Hello, gorgeous. You're nice to me, that's. You want to be my new mascot? I think he wants Dad to give him a bit of fuss. Anyway, as I was saying, Consume shut today because of fiestas. They went into lot. Give staff a chance to get out and party with the peñas. Just enjoy the fiestas. So it is shut. But that does kind of mean me and Dad are still on the lookout for the place to get a cheap drink without having to nip into one of the bars, like Buddy's Bar for example. And that is just absolutely heaving.
I want the noise was, Marcus.
Yeah, the noise just then was a coach. Just quickly show you what's on at Tommy's Bar tonight. At 8:30 you have a tribute to Il Divo. At 10:45 you have Mark Kennis. Brilliant voice, guys. Then topping the night off at 11:45 is a tribute to the one and only Tina Turner. Then of course all night in the other room is karaoke with our brilliant best mate Dennis Birchall. Anyway guys, finishing off by Day and Night Kebab Shop. Smash the like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Adios.